love here. He's here. He's already here. He's eating. Mag-hello ka nga, Loy.
Hi, hello brother. Good morning.
Kamusta ka daw?
Mabuti po. Kain po tayo.
Fish fine.
Bahala kang mag-English lang. Kain tayo kasi karating ko lang galing sa South.
I speak, he said that he has arrived from the south, and I told him to use that he speak English. He said they had to translate English so you can understand Tagalog. Kamusta ka daw?
Fine. Mabuti po, mabuti.
Mabuti, he's fine, mabuti.
Kain tayo guys. Kain tayo brad. Kain.